Okay, then we have exercise 5 here. It says use the triangle ABC above to show that sine 45 degrees is the same as cosine of 45 degrees, and both are equals to square root of 2 divided by 2. And remember that sine of an angle is the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. So, and yeah, and then we have a right angle triangle. These two sides are equal, which means that these two angles here are equal. And since this is 90, then both of these has to be 45 degrees. So let's say I want to find sine of B, right? And B is 45. So if I find sine of B, I will find sine of 45 degrees. And that is the opposite side, which is 1, right? The opposite side of angle B is 1 divided by the hypotenuse here. So we need to find the hypotenuse, and we can use, if I call this x, we can use Pythagoras, which says that the hypotenuse square is equals to the other two sides square, sum of these. 1 square plus 1 square is x square. So we get x square is equals to 2, which means that x is equals to square root of 2. So then sine of angle B, or 45 degrees if you want here, sine of this is the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse, which is square root of 2. And as we see in the text here, 1 over square root of 2 is the same as square root of 2 over 2. And I will just show you why. And if you have a fraction here with a root in the denominator, we don't like roots in the denominator. So what I can do here is multiply by square root of 2 like this. We can multiply with the same thing up and down here. And then in the denominator, we get square root of 2 times square root of 2, and that is, of course, 2. And that's in the denominator. In the numerator, we get square root of 2. So we'll see that sine of 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2. And the same with cosine of 45 degrees. I can use angle B again here, since this is 45 degrees. And cosine is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So we get the same thing here, 1 over square root of 2, which I show is the same as this, like that. So that's exercise A. I've shown that sine 45 is equal to cos 45, which is square root of 2 over 2. And I will make a new video for B and C here.